Hello, I'm Oliver. Here we have some questions about this K3362, this dumper truck. Something about the turning signal, this light, and also about the steering, this angle, how to adjust. Also have a problem with changing the speed gear. Now we will see how to operate it. So this one is adjusting the middle point for the turning signal. So when you, let's say, just now it's flashing, yeah, one time. So when you're turning left, it's left flashing. When you're turning right, right flashing, yeah. So if you adjust this one, the middle point to left, push to left, you see it will start the signal turning left, will flashing. Also, when you adjusting this angle, also the steering angle coming to left, yeah. So if coming this, when you're not operating, stick in the middle, coming flash, you push. Left flash, you push this, adjusting to right, push it to right, it will stop, and sometimes coming one flash. So if coming one flash, sometime you push a few times more, the flashing will stop. So now no more. Okay, no more flashing. If again, so need to push a few more times. Okay, so that's the signal problem. Another one is the speed changing, two-speed gearbox, yeah. It's not moving because come to see here, this light board and this sound board, this for this board middle connection for the light and the parallel with the sound and the other steering and the throttle. This, so also in the middle you see this one. This one is the parallel line and a small board for the changing speed gear. So here, this board is designed when you need to change the speed, the throttle, the motor have to start turning, then can change gear. Let's see. So in order to drive, you have to start the sound system. Sound start. So now gear cannot change, yeah? Turn it around. Now it is at a differential, so we can turn the wheel, you will see. Push around. So now push it to right, it's going forward. Slowly start. Just start to turning and come to see here, come to see here. Then at this time, when very slow the wheel start turning, you can change the gear. You see, now it's moving, yeah? Now speed changing. Okay. So also another way, it is like this. You brake, stop, yeah? Also go backward, same. For backward, push to left. Now it is going backward. Okay, so if the wheel not turning, you cannot change the speed gear. But when you're moving, coming to see here, when you start moving, it changed. It have memory. You already changed the switch position to another speed gear. So when you start moving, the servo will start turning and change the gear. And also now it is slow turning, you can change now also. It's moving. Changing speed. And start. Stop. I change it again, it's not moving. When you start, slowly change. Okay, that's for changing the gear. Another thing is, okay, brake, stop, go forward sound, backward warning sound, and sound off. So after, let's see again at this angle, after you change this middle point for the servo for steering, so the wheels will not be in the middle. So how to change, adjust it back to middle? So if it is not much difference angle, you can remove this one. So the connecting rod, you can screw in or out to adjust the angle. If the angle changes too much, you can take out this rocker arm on the servo. This rocker arm, you take out and you turn it a little bit to adjust which angle you need for the wheel. Yeah, that's if changing too much, you can this rocker arm take out and then turn it, because the servo is at middle, but this one not at the middle line. You can adjust it like this. One is rocker arm, one is the connecting rod. Can be adjusting the steering angle for the front wheels. So this one now need to adjust a little bit because it's going a little bit left, not in the middle line. So you may ask why changing speed need to be the motor start turning, then you can change. So the factory designed like this, so the car, the dumper truck you drive could be simulating like a real car, yeah? So the light, steering light, signal light, and the sound for throttle, they are all running synchronous. So they are all connecting to the middle board, yeah? This light board, sound board, and the driving hydraulic motor, they are all connecting synchronous by this board. So for the changing speed, here, this in the middle, this yellow one, it is from the servo for changing speed. So this one could be, if you unplug it to change, plug in channel 6, you will be able to change speed by the same switch directly. So this one connecting to the middle board and the servo, and then connect to channel 6 by this board, this wire. Okay, that's why. So you need to change the speed gear when the motor starts turning. Okay, so if you got other questions, welcome to ask. I will try to find the answer for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.